One of the biggest things that can save you money on your mortgage is having a higher credit score. So, what are some easy tips to fix your credit score or improve it a little bit? Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Every single month, when the credit bureaus, let's say Amex, Wells Fargo, whoever you have your credit card with, they report to the bureaus not the day after you've made your payment, maybe paying your card down to zero. They report to the credit bureaus in the middle of the month because the credit bureaus are trying to see what your average spend is. A lot of us, myself included, I got my first credit card when I was in college. My stated income was, I think, $0 a month. And so the credit card company gave me a $500 or $1,000 limit. Well, as you get into real life, maybe you spend $700 a month on that credit card that has a $1,000 limit, and then at the end of the month, you pay it to zero, and you think that is the exact right thing to do. What people don't know is this little secret. What's showing up on your credit bureau is that you're almost maxing out that credit card every month. It's not showing that you're paying it to zero because, like I said, it reports in the middle of the month, not at the end of your billing cycle. So here's an easy tidbit. Set up reoccurring payments for throughout the month as well. The goal would be that your credit card max, the balance is never more than 30%. Even just keeping your balance on your credit card under 30% for 90 days can drastically improve your credit score, especially if you don't have a ton showing on it. Another thing people don't realize is if you have student loans that have been sitting in forbearance or have been deferred because you're still in school, those aren't doing anything for your credit. They're not hurting your credit, but they're not helping your credit. And if that's the only debt you have, you might not be building any good credit either. So getting a prepaid credit card that you are really watching closely and making sure you're paying down some of those things will immensely help your credit. Also, I know it seems taboo because credit seems bad and more credit means lower credit score, but not quite. Having a few trade lines actually helps improve your credit score because it gives the bureaus more to go off of. The longer history you have, if you have a few bureaus, you're keeping things at low balances, these are all things that immensely help your score.